Hi, I'm Kelly Boudreau with Harry Norman Realtors. It's such a pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of this elegant and comfortable home located right here in the heart of Sandy Springs. Upon arrival, you'll notice its resemblance to a mid-Atlantic style farmhouse with its front porch and sleek aluminum windows and doors. You'll feel like you're vacationing in the mountains miles away. It's just as beautiful inside, so let's go take a look. When you enter the home, you pass through the foyer that features large gallery-like walls and a statement staircase. Your eyes will travel through the great outdoors, immediately setting the tone for indoor-outdoor lifestyle that this home offers. You'll also notice how the interiors continue the look of the mid-century ranch. With vaulted ceilings draped in wood beams and the use of organic materials, no detail was overlooked. The home was created with entertaining in mind and features an open concept living with dining and kitchen space that's anchored by a limestone fireplace. The living room is spacious yet intimate and is surrounded by expansive windows and glass doors that lead to grounds, a theme that runs throughout. The kitchen is minimal yet functional. The oversized marble island is the focal point and is ideal for both cooking and casual seating. But for a larger group, enjoy your company in the adjacent dining area, which opens to the screened-in porch and expansive backyard. Take a dip in the pool and soak in that gorgeous southern weather. But if you want to take the party downstairs, the lower level features a rec room, a 4,000 bottle wine cellar, and when you're ready to call it a night, the private spaces are as equally spectacular. This two-story residence encompasses 6 bedrooms with 4 en suite on the second level. Owner's suite on the main level is serene and sunny, and it's again accentuated by vaulted ceilings. And of course, it looks out onto the charming grounds, reinforcing that country feel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this sophisticated yet casual home. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. All about love. Share these homes, you know?